Good evening, Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time. Let's start off with the local temperatures. We're going to be into a busy time here coming up in the next few days. 39 Blacksburg, 39 Galax, 46 Roanoke, 44 Lynchburg, 47 at Smith Mountain Lake, 48 down in Martinsville, 43 in Staunton, 34 in Hot Springs. We have some cooler air stuck back here, but this is going to change also. We're not going to stay in this cool air much longer. We're going to actually get turnaround moisture, much warmer. And severe weather will be creeping on our steps Monday afternoon. Taking a look at the current radar, you can see there's some showers and storms way out here to the west. These are just involved with a small weakness coming across. This is not going to be your main issue, and that's not what's the main hit is going to be when it comes to Monday. You see some winter weather advisories up here in the north, part of the northern tier, as includes Montana, Minnesota, North Dakota. We got a winter weather advisory down here in parts of West Virginia, and we got a wind advisory for high winds, and we'll get into that locally here in the Roanoke Valley Triad Triangle down through South Carolina and parts of Georgia, and fire weather issues here in New Mexico, Colorado, and Texas for wildfire danger. You can see there's wind advisory. We're talking about 45-mile-an-hour winds, possibly up to 55-mile-an-hour winds in all these counties. That includes Beaufort, Franklin, Roanoke, the whole Roanoke Valley. A wind advisory then also a little earlier back here in the higher elevations of North Carolina and southwest Virginia. And a winter weather advisory I was telling you about for 2 to 4 inches above 2,500 feet back in West Virginia. Severe weather. This is starting Sunday. You can see we're going to have a low pressure kicking to the here. The trough is really deep. It's going to be digging deep down here, and that's going to force thunderstorms with the low-level jet coming in. It's going to force a very high probability of severe weather, including tornadoes, in any of these areas: Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And as it moves further to the east overnight and then into the next day, we're talking about Tennessee, we're talking about Kentucky, Alabama, Mississippi. The Dixie Alley areas are going to be under the gun Monday, and that'll move Monday night into West Virginia and then get itself set up at noontime for Roanoke. And this is a little further south than what the latest data is saying. I would pull this day 5 line all the way up into New Jersey. We're talking the Cape and the dew points and everything's going to be good. So, and the shear is definitely going to be good. So this is for severe weather of hail, high winds, and tornadoes. The tornado threat doesn't lower after it gets out of here. It's going to actually be a good shot right up to the coastline of seeing some tornadoes. And be vigilant here in any of the states east of the Mississippi River and south of Michigan. I would say that would be a good way to draw where the probability of severe weather is going to be most likely. And we're talking, like I said, hail, high winds, tornadoes. I want to be expected in Sunday, for just Sunday alone, we're talking 20 plus possible tornadoes. We're talking about tornado outbreak, and that would be, I would say, total of 50 plus tornadoes will occur between Sunday and the end of this, and that might be on the low side. So we'll have to keep an eye on it, and we will here at LiveWeatherBlogs.com and keep you updated as needed. Alright, AM showers, 57 degrees on Saturday. Sunday, partly sunny, 61. It's going to set us up for Monday, which is going to be severe weather in the afternoon, evening, and overnight hours, 80 degrees. Thunderstorms on Tuesday. I'm going through the line moves, then it's going to drop 61 degrees. Sunny, 60 on Wednesday. Triad. Same type of thing here, 82. That was Monday. Same with the possibility of severe thunderstorms. A little bit warmer on those days. You can see the temperatures, and we move into triangle, much like both of them. We're nothing different in what we expect. Temperatures, though, a little bit warmer. 84 is high on Monday, and severe weather threat will definitely be high. I went over in the written blog earlier today about my thoughts. There will be a Davison risk factor written. There will be tornadoes. There will be high winds and hail. We need to stay vigilant, and everybody needs to stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for all the latest weather information, and I'll keep you updated. I'm working on the April outlook and hope to have that out relatively shortly. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a good night.